Great HR decisions start with great data. Meet Dovetail HR Reporting and Analytics, the simple, powerful way to measure, track, and improve your HR service delivery in real time. Hit the ground running with over 50 pre-built reports ready to use right out of the box. Copy them, edit them, and make them your own. No setup, headaches, no starting from scratch. Need something more tailored? The drag-and-drop report designer makes it easy to build express reports, crosstabs, and chained reports with intelligent formula creation that flags errors as you type and suggests options along the way. Reports aren't just for reading. With drill down and drill through capabilities, your team can go from a top-level trend all the way to an individual record and take action right there and then. Keep leadership in the loop effortlessly. Schedule reports to run daily, weekly, or monthly, and automatically deliver them in Word, Excel, CSV, or PDF, straight to whoever needs them. And there's even more. Express reports, advanced crosstabs, flexible filter hierarchies, inter-report linking, and a built-in query and Excel export tool, everything your HR team needs to turn data into decisions. Dovetail HR Reporting and Analytics gives your HR team the clarity to act faster, report smarter, and continuously improve the employee experience. Less guesswork, better insight, stronger HR. That's Dovetail HR. To request a demo, visit dovetailsoftware.com today.